Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Figma components. First, understand that components are foundational for efficient design workflows. They allow you to build a library of reusable elements, like buttons or navigation bars, which can be used repeatedly throughout your projects. This approach significantly speeds up your design process and helps maintain a consistent visual language across all your screens. Let's dive into the practical steps. To begin, design the element you wish to make reusable, like a simple button with text and a background. Once your design is complete, select all layers of that element. Then, locate the Create Component icon in the top toolbar, which looks like 4 diamonds. Clicking this will convert your selected design into a main component, marked by a solid purple diamond icon on the canvas. This main component is your single source of truth. Now that you have a main component, you can create instances. Simply drag copies of your main component from the Assets panel onto your design canvas. These are called instances. Instances automatically inherit all properties from their main component. You can make local changes to an instance, like altering its text or color, without affecting the main component. However, any updates to the main component will propagate to all instances, except for those locally overridden properties. For an organized workflow, always name your components clearly and consistently. Consider grouping related components within frames or on dedicated pages to keep your file tidy. For components with multiple states, like a button that is enabled or disabled, use variants to manage them efficiently within a single component set. Finally, publish your components to a team library so everyone on your team can access and use them, ensuring design consistency across all projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.